Guys, I'm going to show you how I made these gorgeous eye masks, blingy eye masks. So this is with the elastic that goes around your head. This goes over your face. The point of these eye masks, everybody keeps asking me, why are you making eye masks that have no eye holes? It's because they are designed to block the light from getting into your eyes. This is made with a glittery, chunky glitter fabric with a cotton at the back. And I made 1, 2, 3 different designs, and this is how I made them. So first thing you want to do is cut out your pattern and then cut the pattern out onto your blingy fabric. I always find it easier if things are the same to just fold it in half and then cut it out that way. Get your fabric, fold it in half, pop it on there, draw your pattern outline. I'm going to make mine a bit bigger than this because I want mine a bit bigger than this. So you just draw like if you were drawing seam allowance. Then you cut it up. This one you're going to want to use some good scissors, and the good thing is with this is it is cotton at the back, so it's very, very soft. So there you go, is your sleep mask. This one I want to actually do some cat ears on here, so I'm going to draw the cat ears. We're going to have round cat ears or rounded cat ears. So we're going to draw them rounded, and then as I always do, I just fold it over. Try to fold it over as accurately as possible, and that way you only have to cut round it once. So let's give it a go. So this mask, actually I want to do it a bit bigger because I like doing my masks a bit bigger than the pattern. So we're going to go all the way around, and then you have your pattern. Okay, now you're going to get your glittery fabric, fold that in half as well, fold your cat ears in half, and draw your pattern around the fabric. And there you have my other daughter's just said she wants one, so we're going to make her one a bear one. So here we go. So first of all, I'm just going to draw around the old outline. And then make some ears from there. So we're just going to draw a half circle. If you call that a half circle. And then let's get to cutting. So there we have our bear bling mask. So now you can get some sleep. I think I want to round the bear's head a little bit more. Yeah, that looks better.